咗個 Not Without Borders 個 campaign，咁所以其實佢係一個大愛嘅平台。Since we were doing the production in Hong Kong, we were thinking how we can distribute it wisely, because since we have seen a lot of news that the underprivileged people or some elderly, they were lining up for hours but cannot get any reasonable price mask. So we were thinking from an innovative way, how can we distribute in a more easy and user-friendly way? But what they would need to do just to register, and we will give them a QR code card. They can continue for 10 weeks to come and scan the code and can get the mask in a few seconds.
幫到我慳翻買口罩，慳翻好多錢咯，同埋唔使驚出去鋪口罩買唔到。